As we're trying to describe this velocity time curve over here to the right, you'll notice our velocity is slowly increasing at a constant rate until we get to 2. There are no units here, so it might be 2 seconds or 2 minutes. But then our velocity, after that slowly increased for the first 2, then it holds at that constant rate or constant speed because it's not going up, not going down. Then all of a sudden, just before 4, it quickly increases really fast. So there's high degree of acceleration here. And then once we get to time being 4, our velocity just continues at that higher speed. It's not increasing or decreasing, it's just continuing at that higher speed. Now, as you think about what's going on down below here, here we have a position or distance versus time graph. Here, your distance is slowly increasing at a constant rate. In other words, you're walking at a constant velocity because your distance is slowly increasing at a constant rate. Here, our distance is not changing one bit. So in other words, after we get to 2, we stopped. We're not moving because our distance isn't moving. It's always the same here. But then just before 4 o'clock, or time 4, sorry about that, we then go ahead and probably jump forward or run just real quickly, and then once again we stop. We know we're running or increasing our speed real fast for just a short time because we're going up real fast here. But then once again, when we get to time 4, our distance isn't changing, so we're not moving. So once we get to 4, we're stationary. So whenever you have a horizontal distance, like we have right here between 2 and almost 4, and then from 4 to the right, you're actually not moving. Your velocity is 0. So in other words, we had, during this time right here, our velocity was constantly causing us to go farther. So our velocity was constant, a horizontal line. Then once again, we weren't moving, so our velocity was 0. Then here we ran or jumped forward just a bit, so our velocity was real high for just a short time. And then over here to the right, we're not moving again, our velocity is 0.